everybody. Just before we start, I just show you what I did in the project. I had a cool piano from FL Studio on 3 cymatics, drums, a kick, a snare, and a house tap loop. So I just made some generic rhythm, and I added a soundwadizer on each, and I just EQ'd up the high mid of the piano. So let us discover the patterns. So here are the Midis. I exported each in a folder. So here is a folder. So that's the first pattern, the second, etc. until the 10th pattern. So all is there. That is free, and that's it.